everyone, Jessica from Petite Style Script and Clarify Simplify line, and I'm really excited to come in with this new product I've been trying out, these hair bands from Gimme Beauty. And these are great because I really like environmentally friendly types of products and products that are reusable. So what's great about these are that they are machine washable and they don't stretch out. So if they have been used for a while, you can just throw them in the washing machine. They also don't hurt your hair, so they are dent free and snag free, and great to just reuse over and over again. So basically they come in lots of different colors. You can do some neutral colors, you can do some bright colors, a path of black as well, or you could even do these scrunchy type of colors as well, and or the starter kit. So basically I'll show you putting my hair up right now. You can see the hair tie right here, and then it doesn't leave a dent or anything, and it's very great and stretchy. So I highly recommend them, and there is a discount code below, so you can click the link and see more photos of all the options. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.